Hi there! Today's video is all about the quick and easy steps to redeem your Starbucks stars. So whether you're in the app or at the store, let's keep it straightforward. So if you choose to order through the app or online, you can start by opening up the Starbucks app or head to their website. Now once you're in, pick your items, toss them into your cart, and give them a once over to make sure it's all good. Now upon checking out, there's an option there to add your stars. Once you're done, just choose your pickup location, confirm your choices, and wait for the confirmation of your pickup time. This is a smooth process to get your Starbucks fixed without any frills. Okay, next. If you're in the store vibe, just tell the cashier, and if they ask for your account info, don't worry about it. This is no big deal, it's just a normal part of the process. So after saying you're using your stars, just look at the screen for the important stuff. Make sure that the number of stars and the items match up. So if all looks good, your order is good to go and you're all set to enjoy the perks of your Starbucks stars. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.